Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Whop. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, log into your Whop account, then go to the left panel, okay, and go ahead and click on your profile. Now once you're in here, just tap on balance, okay? Click on it. Now what you're going to do is just go ahead and verify your account, okay? Click on verify yourself to pay out. Now in here, enter your first name, last name, business type, date of birth. So basically fill in these text boxes right here, okay? Now on the next page, just wait for it. And here it needs us to scan this QR code, okay? So what you do before you scan this QR code is first up, prepare your valid document. It could be a license, something like that, an ID. And then of course, we'll need your smartphone to scan the QR code, which I'm going to do right now. As you can see here, it is now verifying me as I have the QR code opened in my phone. So just basically follow simple prompts from your phone. I'm not going to be able to show you because I have my personal details in my ID card. Okay. Now in the next pages of the phone verification, it will need to scan your face or take a selfie. And as you can see here, it says processing verification. I just done the face verification. As it says here on my phone, it says thank you. Okay. And it says here your verification was approved as fast as that. Now what we'll do is just go ahead and click on the withdraw button in here. Now the amount of payout, you can go ahead and click on max and select the payout method. Now just go ahead and click on the drop down. In my region or country, I only have 3 options, which are Cebuana Lulier and M Lulier, also PayPal. Okay, I'm just going to use PayPal right here and send payout to add new account, add your PayPal account. Okay, just write down your PayPal name in here, and once done, just hit on add. And once everything's set up, you have the fees in here, exchange rate, and estimated delivery. And all you have to do next is just click on payout and wait for your money. And there you have it. That is how you withdraw money from Whop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.